Canva is one of my absolute favorite apps and websites to create graphics. And today I'm going to show you how you can use some of their social media templates to create your social media banners, headers, and postings. Canva is very easy to use, and if you haven't seen the 2 earlier tutorials I have done about Canva, I will link them somewhere up in the eye. Today I'm going to focus on how you can use their pre-made templates for social media, how you can change them, and I will show you the advantage in Canva Pro, the paid version, where you can create one banner and then resize it to fit all of your social media. So let's move over to the computer. So here we are at canva.com, and we are going to search for a Facebook design. So what we do is we just write Facebook up in the search bar, and all these examples come up. And as you can see, the dimension of each of them shows up next to it. So we have Facebook ads, Facebook app ads, Facebook cover, Facebook event cover, Facebook post, Facebook story, Facebook video, birthday Facebook event cover, fall Facebook cover, and Facebook story ad. So let's go with the Facebook cover. Here we have, first of all, a blank if you want to create from scratch, and then all these different templates you can use as a starting point for your own design. So let's choose this one, our biggest sale yet. As you can see, it has 3 different photos, and they are all inserted in frames, and you have the text area. If you click on any of these photos, you can choose your own photo and drag it in the position. And you can also change the text. So let's find a picture to put in here. I did a mistake here. I used pictures I have used before and dragged them in. You should know that I have the paid version of Canva, so I can use paid pictures as well. Okay, the placement of this isn't correct, so I double click on it and I can drag it to a place where I like it to be. Now I'm going to my uploaded pictures, and I chose one from the place where I grew up in this case, and drag it in the second spot. Now I want to upload a photo of my own, so I click upload, which takes me to my computer, and I choose the picture I want to upload. In this case, I'm going to upload the logo. And here we have it. And all I have to do is to grab it and drag it into the position I wanted. As you can see, this wasn't the perfect picture for this placement, but you see how it can be done. I can also change the colors of the backgrounds. Here I picked the light green, and you see the white borders are now light green. Let's pick another color to see the pink or the purple. But let's go back to the white. Now I want to change the text. I can change by highlighting it. I can change the font. And I can also change the size by clicking up in the bar and change the size of it. Now I realized that I have used Pro Photos. So by clicking on this little square up in the right, I can choose Free Photos instead. I am still in recently used, which include the paid version. So I have to shut that down. You can see down at the bottom it says Pro. So let's go to Photos and go to trending, apply the free, and now I can choose free pictures. So I exchanged the two ones that are paid. I like this little doggy picture, but I need to move it to fit in my frame. So here I have something that could be a cover. Now let's see. Go back and search for Facebook and do a Facebook post this time. Once again, I can choose a blank one, but let's go with this perfect apps. This is not at all what I want, but I like the colors and the font. So by highlighting the text, I can write my own text. In this case, I'm writing stay home, and I realized the font was a little bit too big for that area. So I changed my font, stay home, stay safe. And now I'm gonna change it to be centered. As you can see, these two text fields are grouped. So let's change the bottom one to my name, Pixelpia, and I want to move that to the bottom of the page. So I ungroup them, and now I can drag my name down to the bottom. Now I have a big white area in the center. So I go to Elements, I make sure I choose Free and apply that filter. And as you can see, they have a section for coronavirus, and that's what I'm looking at. And I like this little blue hand with a heart. It will fit well with my picture. So I drag it in and I grab a corner and resize it. The photo is once again put inside a frame. I'm gonna use a photo of my own. So now I go to uploaded images, and here I found the picture I wanted to use. So now my post is ready to download and put up on Facebook. Now let's look at the things we can do with the paid version. If we go to our banner we did and click resize, we have all these different template formats that we can choose from. Let's make this into a Twitter header instead. I want the same header on my Twitter account as I have on my Facebook. It's a little too narrow, but since this is all drawn together, I can choose to put the same background color of it all, or I can choose to just drag the whole picture, mark it and drag it out to the side. It changes the format of the photos a little bit, but this is very much like the Facebook banner and can be used as a Twitter header. I hope you learned something from this video today, or that you got inspired to start creating using Canva. As I said, it is one of my favorite apps and websites when it comes to graphic. Until next time, don't forget, never stop learning.